As an esthetician, you know that dermaplaning is one of the most effective ways to exfoliate the skin and leave it glowing. However, selling this treatment to your clients isn't always straightforward. It requires a mix of education, trust building, and strategic promotion. If you're looking to increase your dermaplaning treatment sales, here are 10 proven strategies that can help you attract more clients and keep them coming back. Number one, educate your clients. Education is key to selling any skincare service, and dermaplaning is no exception. Many clients may not be aware of what dermaplaning involves or how it can benefit the skin. Simple explanations. Use easy to understand language to explain the process. Focus on how dermaplaning gently removes dead skin cells and peach fuzz, revealing smoother, brighter skin. Client questions. Address common concerns, such as whether dermaplaning will make hair grow back thicker, it doesn't, or if it's painful, and of course it's not. The more comfortable clients feel, the more likely they are to book. In-session education. Use the treatment session as a time to explain how it works and the benefits clients can expect. This helps build trust and interest in future sessions. 2. Create a loyalty program. A loyalty program encourages repeat bookings and keeps clients coming back for regular treatments. Reward regular clients. Offer discounts or a free treatment after a certain number of visits. For example, after every 5 dermaplaning sessions, offer the 6th one free. Exclusive perks. Give loyal clients access to special promotions or add-ons, such as complimentary hydrating mask with their dermaplaning treatment. Use before and after photos. Visual proof is one of the most effective ways to sell dermaplaning treatments. When clients see the instant glow and smooth skin that dermaplaning provides, they're more likely to be interested. Social media. Post before and after photos on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and your website. Clients can see real results, which builds credibility and generates excitement. In the spa. Have a photo album or a digital display of before and after images available in your spa. This serves as a conversation starter and allows clients to see the immediate benefits of dermaplaning. Number 4, offer dermaplaning packages. Packages are a great way to increase your overall sales and encourage clients to invest in long-term skincare solutions. Bundle services. Combine dermaplaning with facials, chemical peels, or microneedling for a full treatment package. This not only boosts sales, but also enhances the client's results. Seasonal packages. Promote specific packages during different seasons. For example, a winter glow package that combines dermaplaning with a hydrating facial to combat dull, dry skin. Number 5, host dermaplaning events. Events create excitement around your services and can introduce dermaplaning to clients who may not have considered it before. Demo days. Host an event where you perform live demonstrations of dermaplaning, offer mini sessions or consultations so clients can experience the results firsthand. Discounts for attendees. Provide exclusive event-only discounts or packages. This creates a sense of urgency and encourages clients to book on the spot. Number 6, educate your team. If you have a team of estheticians working with you, make sure they're fully trained and confident in selling dermaplaning treatments. Ongoing training. Provide regular training sessions on the benefits of dermaplaning and how to explain it to clients. Incentives for staff. Consider offering incentives or bonuses for team members who sell the most dermaplaning treatments each month. This creates friendly competition and motivates your staff to promote the service. Number 7, offer complimentary consultations. Many clients may be interested in dermaplaning but hesitant to commit without more information. A complimentary consultation can help put their minds at ease. Assess their skin during the consultation. Assess the client's skin type and discuss their skincare goals. Explain how dermaplaning can help address their specific concerns, whether it's dullness, texture, or hyperpigmentation. Personalized treatment plans. Offer tailored advice and packages options based on the client's needs. Personalized solutions make clients feel valued and increase the likelihood that they'll book a session. Number 8, leverage social proof. People trust recommendations from others. Use social proof to show potential clients that dermaplaning is a trusted, effective treatment. Client testimonials. Ask happy clients to leave their reviews or testimonials that you can feature on your website, social media, or spa materials. Influencers and bloggers. If possible, partner with local influencers or bloggers who can share their dermaplaning experience with their followers. Their endorsement can introduce your service to a wider audience. Create limited time offers. Urgency is a powerful sales tool. Limited time offers encourage clients to act quickly before their promotion ends. Seasonal discounts. Offer discounts around key times of the year, such as before holidays, weddings, or summer vacations when clients want to look their best. Flash sales. Promote a flash sale for a specific number of dermaplaning sessions, available only for a short period. This can fill up your appointment calendar fast. Number 10, follow up and build relationships. The key to long-term success in selling dermaplaning treatments is building strong relationships with your clients. Post-treatment follow-ups. After a dermaplaning treatment, follow up with a text, email, or call to check on how the client is doing. This personal touch builds trust and makes clients feel cared for. Rebooking reminders. Send clients reminders when it's time for their next dermaplaning session. Most clients will need to come back every 4 to 6 weeks for optimal results, so keep them on a schedule. This will help to boost repeat business. Selling more dermaplaning treatments isn't just about promoting the service. It's about creating a complete experience that educates, engages, and builds trust within your clients. By implementing these 10 strategies, you can increase your dermaplaning sales, attract new clients, and grow your aesthetics business. Keep focusing on client relationships, providing excellent results, and leveraging social proof, and you'll see a considerate rise in your treatment bookings.
I'd love to hear from you. What's your best sales tip? Please leave a comment below. I read every single one and I appreciate your insights. If you're ready to elevate your skills even further, consider joining our Advanced Dermaplaning Techniques class. It's designed to provide you with in-depth knowledge and hands-on experience to boost confidence and client results. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring for your practice. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. See you in the next video.